All right, first we're going to remove the nuts.
Judd, line 1. Judd, line 1.
All right, you're going to remove the bonnet and the old gasket and throw it away. And just clean this up here. Just make sure there's no debris up in here. And right in here. And then there's a new fiber gasket that's going to be sent. It's not going to be aluminum like the other one. It's going to be a new fiber one. Just going to want to slide that in there. Tuck it in good and tight. Put the bonnet back on. Like that. And the new bolts are going to be a lot longer. Okay? So you're going to thread them in one at a time. Well, it doesn't matter, you can thread them in multiple ones. But here's the key. When you get down to the bottom, you need to hold the nut up close so that it will thread into the nut at the same time you're threading down. Okay? Same thing over here. Okay? All right. The reason why we do that is there's not enough space right here to get the nut on. So you have to kind of hold it there while you're threading it in. Okay, and then leave it loose. Leave a gap down here. You might need a wrench or a socket to get it all the way through, just depending on how dirty your threads are. Mine are lucky there's not. So just have a socket nearby.
Lincoln, line 1. Lincoln, line 1.
Yeah, see, this one's a little snug, so you may need to get a socket just to kind of get him running down. But remember to hold on to the nut on the bottom. Okay? Once you get it here, just snug them down. And then, if you have a torque wrench, use a torque wrench and tighten them down to 100 pounds in a cross pattern. Okay? All right. Then the final step is going to be thread these up close to the body and then snug them down. It's like just kind of like a lock nut. And you're just going to just give it a little bit of juice. You don't have to go real tight, just enough to get it nice and snug. All right. Same thing on all four. And that completes the procedure.